So you might be in a situation where you're getting this little pop-up on Instagram where it's telling you that it's failed to load earlier messages. Now, doing this is a pretty basic thing. This is kind of a, common thing that ends up happening. The first thing to remember here is to go through and double check your internet connection. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and have like a bad or terrible internet connection, because that's going to end up affecting your particular ability to, load your messages and those types of things. So what you're going to want to do here is you either want to switch over to mobile data or switch over to your cell data, depending on which one you have, and just go through and see if that ends up causing or end up fixing those issues. So double check your internet connection. That's the number one thing. Now, on top of that, you might just want to close out of Instagram like this and reopen your Instagram application. So all you want to do is just close out of Instagram, just close out of it, and then go back into Instagram right after it, and that very well could end up fixing the problem for you as well. If that's still not working, you might want to try going through and try updating your Instagram application. So what this basically looks like is you make your way over into your App Store, you click on the search bar at the bottom, and you go ahead and search for your Instagram app. So type in Instagram just like this, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the update button right here, and all you want to do is update your Instagram application. So try doing that, and that could very well end up fixing the problem for you. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.